Hello, in front of me I've got FC 25. In this video I'll show you how to perform roulette. To perform roulette, first you make sure that your player has at least 4 stars of dribbling. Next, if you are running to the right position, you have to push the right analog left and make whole circle. If you are running to the left side of the pitch, do the same thing but push the analog right and again make the whole circle. If you make the whole circle to the top, you will move your player to the top. If you make it to the bottom, you will move player to the bottom. Let me add another player. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.